everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carreon, and today we will learn about an awesome topic, irregular verbs, so pay close attention. But first, let's review some basic concepts. Verb is a word that expresses an action, a state, or an occurrence. Irregular verbs are verbs that don't follow the usual rules of adding ed to form the past tense or past participle. Instead, they change in different ways. Some irregular verbs don't change at all. Their base form, past tense, and past participle are exactly the same. For example, cut, cut, cut. Put, put, put. Let, let, let. Shut, shut, shut. Cost, cost, cost. Spread, spread, spread. Vowel change. This group is a little bit more challenging. These verbs change their vowels in predictable or unique ways. Pattern A, U, U. Sing, sang, sung. Swim, swam, swum. Pattern I, A, U. Begin, began, begun. Drink, drank, drunk. Pattern O, E, O. Break, broke, broken. Choose, chose, chosen. Pattern E, E, E. Feel, felt, felt. Keep, kept, kept. These verbs don't follow any pattern. They're completely unique. Bring, brought, brought. Do, did, done. Be, was, were, been. Go, went, gone. Buy, bought, bought. Find, found, found. Get, got, gotten. Say, said, said. Write, wrote, written. Make, made, made. There is no trick here, just memorize them. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!